Welcome to the AI Care Agents 24/7 AI Governance Learning Pathway. I'm so glad you're here with us for this cornerstone module. Today, we're diving straight into Systems 5, Building Audit-Ready Evidence Files. If you've been following along, you know we're laying down that crucial groundwork for your AI governance journey. So this explainer, it's all about taking that theory and turning it into structured, undeniable proof. All right, let's get into it. In governance, if it isn't documented, it didn't happen. Seriously, that right there is the golden rule of governance, and it really sets the high stakes for everything we're doing today. Think about it. You can have the absolute best intentions, amazing internal discussions, a super rigorous approach to AI, but if you don't document it, you've got zero proof. Today, we are fixing that by building out your audit-ready files.
But before we get into the exact files you need, let's just briefly center on why we're doing this in the first place. You know, AI Care Agents 24/7 is a California nonprofit, and our whole mission is to build a practical, community-focused pathway for organizations just like yours. Whether you're a nonprofit, a legal aid org, or a clinic, our goal is to help you move from feeling totally confused to taking confident, governed action. These systems can feel incredibly overwhelming, and that's exactly why we're breaking them down into highly structured visual steps.
Section 1. Building your evidence taxonomy. Let's take a look. To bring some real clarity to your operations, we're going to build out an evidence taxonomy that is purposefully categorized for super easy retrieval. It neatly houses exactly what you need in 7 specific folders. Ready? We've got your inventories, risk assessments, formal policies, signed approvals, system logs, staff training records, and any incident notes. So this isn't just some random list we threw together, right? It's a meticulously organized framework, designed so absolutely nothing slips through the cracks. Now, you might be wondering how this all fits together. Well, these 7 folders are actually categorized into 2 distinct types of records. First up, we have your static evidence. Think of these as the foundational rules and baseline documents you set up early on, like your inventories, risk assessments, formal policies, and those signed approvals. Then, second, we have your active evidence. These are the ongoing, living records of your governance program in motion. This covers your system logs, staff training records, and incident notes. Basically, this taxonomy logically houses both your starting line and your ongoing marathon, ensuring you always have a complete picture of your operations.
Section 2. Ready for any audit.
So here's the absolute crucial point. The systems we're building today, they are not just for show. Whether you're facing a super strict formal ISO audit from external regulators, or maybe you're just preparing for a routine check-in from your internal board of directors, having this exact taxonomy completely changes the game. It means you can instantly produce the proof that your governance program is actively functioning. No more scrambling around, no panicked late-night searches through endless email chains, just absolute organized readiness. It's a lifesaver, for sure. Which brings us to Section 3, Next Steps and Action. Let's get to work. To set up your digital filing system correctly from day one, you absolutely need the right tools. So, your practical output for today is to go ahead and download the Evidence Package Index. This index is going to give you the exact blueprint to recreate the taxonomy we've just covered, ensuring your static and active evidence files are perfectly structured right out of the gate. Thank you so much for joining us for this cornerstone module on building audit-ready evidence files. Be sure to check the explainer description right now to download today's practical output, that evidence package index we just talked about. And once you've got that secured, please go ahead and proceed to the next explainer in our pathway to continue building out your solid AI governance foundation. We're taking this step by step together. Before we wrap up, I really want to leave you with this final, critical thought to reflect on today. Is your AI governance actively functioning, or is it just invisible? Remember our golden rule. If it isn't documented, it didn't happen. By implementing the 7-folder taxonomy we explored today, you're making sure your hard work is never invisible again. So get those files set up, and I will see you in the next explainer.